The first step is to get the correct size wipers for your car. This Kia Forte needs 24 and 20-inch blades. Next, remove the old wipers from the car. The first step is to lift the wiper arm up from the windshield and into the air. Most wiper blades have a latch that pulls down toward the arm. As you can see, I just did it there. Once you've pulled the latch, pull the entire blade down toward the base of the arm, and then it will be able to slide off. The next step is to install the new wiper. Start by removing any guard blades on the new wipers. After removing the blade cover, the next step is to open the latch at the front of the RainX Latitudes, right there, like such. Once the latch is open, the entire windshield wiper housing can be slid onto the windshield wiper arm, and then the latch simply locks down securely into place.